You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question from the topic auxiliary projection. So this is the question we have to solve. We're going to project force auxiliary elevation on this plane 60 like this, and force auxiliary plan on this one like this on plane and at an angle of 60 degrees. So this is the object. So let me draw we always start from the plan. I'll draw this one, pick a point, measure my width, which is 50. I'll measure the width 50. This is 50, like that. And from that point, I'll draw vertical line so I can draw my that is the height of the plan. That's the height of the plan, which is 40. I'll measure 40. I'll be from 7 to 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 to 3. Then the same thing. I'll just use my T-square to draw for this side. I can also take in this one. So then the next thing is to draw, because it's a pyramid, that's a rectangular pyramid. I have to draw a thin line like this and thin line like this. So the next thing I want to do is to draw my elevation. Let me take in this one too. This one. So to get my elevation, the first thing I need to do is to draw the center, the apex, to get the height. Take this one vertically upward. Then at any distance from this one, just pick this distance and draw a line for the base. And I'll measure my height, which is 75. I'll measure 75. This is 75. Okay, let me start it from. So it will be here. So it will come down. Then I need to take this one vertically upward all the way to the base, and this other side too, the same thing, to the base. Then I'll take it from my 75. I'll put it here. All these ones are to be drawn in thin lines like that. Now I need to draw my plane, cutting plane, which is at 45 degrees. From the base it is 49 to that point of 45 degrees, and it is to the right. So the first thing I will do, I'll measure my 49 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 is here. This is 49. Then that point, I need to transfer it to the right, because as you can see, that 45 degrees from the right here. I need to transfer that point to the right with my T-square. This is my 49. I'll transfer it to this point. So it is at that point I'll now use my 45 degree set square. So I'll now use my because I have 45 degree set square. I don't need to bother myself measuring it. I'll just place my 45 degree set square like this, and I'll draw my cutting plane. Don't forget to give it double thickness at the two ends like this. That's my 45 degree set square. So the next thing I want to do now is to now complete my plan. To complete my plan, I'll have to bring this point down and this point. So I'll put this one like this, take it vertically downward, and this other end vertically downward. So with this one now, I can now complete my plan. So I'll take this point to this place like this. I'll take this one to this place like this. Then thicken this one and thicken this one. Then don't forget you have to thicken this other side and this one. Similarly, you thicken this one and this one. So don't forget you need to section the center and use 45 degrees set square. Make sure your section line are evenly spaced. Make sure they are evenly spaced. Make sure they are evenly spaced. Yes, that's the complete plan. And I need to thicken my elevation as well. This one, this, and the base, like that. So now we want to start the auxiliary projection proper. Now don't forget that I want to start with the auxiliary elevation first, and it's on this plane. That is 60 degrees. Because I have 60 degrees set square, I'll just place my 60 degree like this. This is, if I use it like this angle will be 30 degrees, but it is actually 60, so that means I can't use it like this. I'll rotate it like this and place it this way, so I can just draw my plane maybe somewhere here like this. That's 60 degrees. That's my 60 degrees. So the next thing I want to do is to now draw perpendicular line to this 60 degrees. How do I do perpendicular line to this 60 degree? I'll leave my 60 degree the way it is, like that. Move it a little bit downward. Make sure it is still 60 degrees, like this. I need to project lines from all the corners. So I just place this one, my 45 degree, like this on it. So I'll have it this way, this, all the corners, this, this, make sure place it where it's shifting. Can I afford to have it shifting? So alternative way to do this is just that you just do one and transfer it to the others. Let me just transfer this line now. Let me transfer it because I still have this and this corner. So let me just use this one. I can even use this, place it like this now. Put it on one of the lines like this, then I put this one underneath it like this, then shift it to this place. I will draw this one, shift it here. You can see something is wrong. This is not, they are not parallel now. This is not parallel to the other ones, so you have to be very careful to ensure the lines are parallel. Let me see this one. This one and this one, are they parallel? Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it is not parallel. So let me, because your angles must be very correct. So let me just not be lazy about it and do it the normal way. So I have this line now. I want to draw a perpendicular line to this line. I'll shift it a little bit away and I'll place this one on it. You place it on it like this and draw perpendicular lines. After you have drawn one is okay, so you can now use this one to transfer to other places. So this is perpendicular now. This one is perpendicular, so I'll take it here, shift it to this one, perpendicular line, shift it to this, to this one. Need to shift it to all the corners. All the corners. And the last one, this. Okay, so after you have done that, so now we will need to transfer the dimension for the elevation. Bring it like this, bring this one out, bring this out, and the base like this, and you put the vertical line. Although we may not need this one at the top, but let's just put it. So now if I want to label this place as A, B, C, D, so it means for the elevation, looking at it from here, I'll have A and D here, and I have B and C here. So that means at this top I'll have B, C. This is B and this is C. This is A. And this one is D. So here I'll have A and D. So here I'll have AD. This one is A, B, C, D. Here I have BC. So now the next thing is to now transfer those points to this side. I'll take from the base to my AD. From the base to my AD. This is base to my, so I'll place it here now. And I'll mark it here. The next one I'll place it from the base to my BC. Like this. So I'll stay here now. And I'll mark it here. So I'll now transfer parallel line to this one, parallel line to this line, from here, transfer it to this one here, like this, and like this. So this place will be A, B, C, D. That is the base, followed by AD, AD followed by BC, BC. Now let us connect them. This is D here, at the bottom here, is connected to what? D. This D here, where is D? Our D is here, connected to this place. Now this is C. Where is C? So this one is connected here. Let me join that one once and for all. A is connected to D. Draw that one with thin line. Everything with thin line for now. Now this is C. Capital letter C, which is here, connected to small letter C. Small letter C is at the top here. So this one is connected to this. It's connected to this one like this. I'm using thin line for now. Now this is B. So this is small letter B connected to a capital letter B connected to small letter B, which is here. Small letter B is here. So these ones are connected like this. like that. Now we have done that. Now don't forget that this is B here. It's also connected to C, which is here. C is here. So you connect this one like this. It will be connected like this. Similarly, C is connected to B. This is C and this is B. So these ones are connected like this. And I can tick in this one now. And B is connected to A, small letter A. Where is small letter A? This is small letter A. I have not done small letter. Okay, A connected to A. I have not done that. Capital letter A is this one. Here is connected to small letter A, which is this. Small letter A is here. Connected like this. So this my small letter A is connected to small letter B. So this one is connected to this. This is connected to this one. Like this. It will be thick line. And A is connected to D. You can see this is D and this is A. So they are connected like this. Like this. So now I have my shape now. The perimeter will be thick. The perimeter will be thick. This one will also be thick line. This one will be thick line. The base will be thick line. Like this. And this one, which is C, connected. If you are viewing from this side, definitely you can't see this side. So definitely C to C will be thin line. Will be hidden line, sorry. Hidden line. So you draw with hidden line. Like that. And let us tick in this one too. Like this. And don't forget, we need to section the top. So I'm going to use 45 degrees sec square to section it. Section it like this. This. I have to section that cut plane. This and that. So that is the solution to the first part of the question. So in another video I will do the solution to the auxiliary plan. This is the auxiliary elevation. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.